Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have in brackets square root of x over x all raised to power x minus 1 equals in brackets x over square root of x all raised to power x minus 3. I want to solve for the value of x. To solve this, solution. So we have in brackets, we can write square root of x as x raised to power 1 over 2 all over x all raised to power x minus 1, and this equals in brackets x over, we can write square root of x as x raised to power 1 over 2 then all raised to power x minus 3. So with this, applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power m over a raised to power n, this equals a raised to power m minus n. Applying this rule right here and here also, what we have is this. We have in brackets x raised to power 1 over 2 minus power 1, okay? Then all raised to power x minus 1 is equal to, in brackets, x raised to power 1 minus 1 over 2, then all raised to power x minus 3. Next, applying this rule of indices, that if you have in brackets a raised to power m, all raised to power n, this equals a raised to power m times n. Applying this rule here and here also, we have x raised to power 1 over 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 over 2, then multiplied by x minus 1, and this is equal to x raised to power 1 minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, then multiplied by x minus 3, such that with this we have x then raised to power minus 1 over 2 times x is equal to minus x over 2 minus half times minus 1 is equal to plus 1 over 2. This equals to x raised to power 1 over 2 times x is equal to x over 2. 1 over 2 times minus 3 over 2. Now, at this junction, we are going to introduce ln to this equation. So, we have ln x raised to power minus x over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to ln x raised to power x over 2 minus 3 over 2. Such that with this, we can express this as ln x, then raised to power, the LCM of 2 and 2 is 2, or raised to power 2. So we have minus x, then plus 1 is equal to ln x, then raised to power, we have the LCM as 2, then x minus 3. So with this, following this rule of natural logarithm, that if you have ln a raised to power m, this equals m times ln a. So applying this rule here and here also, we have minus x plus 1 over 2 multiplied by ln x, and this equals x minus 3 over 2 multiplied by ln x. With this, we are going to move this over to the left hand side. So we have minus x plus 1 can be written as 1 minus x over 2 times ln x, then minus x minus 3 over 2 times ln x, and this equals to 0. Right here, we have a common factor, which is ln x. So factorize out ln x, we're going to have in brackets 1 minus x over 2, then minus x minus 3 over 2, and this equals to 0. So at this junction, we can write this as we have ln x is equal to 0, or we have this, we have in brackets 1 minus x over 2 minus x minus 3 over 2. All of this is equal to 0. Now, solving this, we're going to introduce e. We have e raised to power ln x is equal to e raised to power 0. If we cancel ln, x stands alone is equal to e raised to power 0 is 1. And we have gotten the first value of x. Now, let us solve this other equation. So, solving this, that we have 1 minus x minus 3 over 2 equals to 0. The LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. 2 we divide 2, 1. 1 times 1 minus x is 1 minus x 2 we divide 2, 1. So minus 1 times this, that will become minus x plus 3. This equals to 0. So from here, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So we have 4 minus x minus 2x all over 2. This equals to 0. Next, we are going to multiply this equation by 2 and also multiply the right hand side by 2. So 2 we divide 2, we are left with 4 minus 2x, and this equals to 0. So move 2 minus 2x over to the left hand side. We have 4 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. Okay, 2 we divide 2. We have the value of s is equal to 4 over 2 is 2. And with this, we have the second solution of x. Meanwhile, the first solution of x, x1 is equal to 1. So with this, the next thing for us to do is to verify these two solutions of x. So right here, let us verify this. Verify. Now we have the given question in brackets, the square root of x divided by x all raised to power x minus 1 equals to, in brackets, x over the square root of x all raised to power x minus 3. So for the first value of x to equal 1, that x1 is equal to 1, we're going to input x as 1 into this equation. So we have in brackets the square root of x is 1 over x1 all raised to power x is 1 minus 1 equals to, in bracket, x is 1 over square root of x is 1 all raised to power x1 minus 3. So square root of 1 is 1 over 1 all raised to power 1 minus 1 is 0 is equal to, in bracket, 1 over the square root of 1 is 1 all raised to power 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And with this, we have 1 over 1 is equal to 1 raised to power 0 is equal to 1 over 1 is 1 raised to power minus 2. 1 raised to power 0 is 1, which equals 1 raised to power minus 2 is 1. Now, since the right hand side equals the left hand side, this means that the first value of x as 1 is the correct solution for the given question. Now, for the second value of x as 2, so right here, we have the second value of x, that x2 is equal to 2. So in putting this value into the given equation, we have the equation in brackets square root of x all over x all raised to power x minus 1 is equal to, in brackets, x over the square root of x then all raised to power x minus 3. So with this, we have x as 2 in brackets the square root of 2 all over x as 2 all raised to power x is 2, then minus 1 is equal to, in bracket, x is 2 divided by square root of x is 2 all raised to power x is 2 minus 3. So from here, we have that, in bracket, the square root of 2 over 2 all raised to power 2 minus 1 is 1 is equal to, in bracket, 2 divided by the square root of 2 all raised to power 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Next, following this rule of indices, that if you have, in brackets, a over b all raised to power minus n, this equals, in brackets, b over a all raised to power n. So applying this rule right to this, so we are going to have, in brackets, square root of 2 all over 2, and this is equal to, this then becomes, in brackets, the square root of 2 all over 2. Now, since this equal each other, this also means that the value of x as 2 is also the correct solution for the given question. So that means that the two solutions of x, x1 and x2, is the correct solution for the given question. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do also like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.